How to send a marketing email or text to a group of clients. Before setting up a mass email or text event, you will need to set up email and texting as well as create an email or text message template. Click the I in the upper right-hand corner to watch our videos on setting up email and texting and creating message templates. To set up a mass email or text event, click on the Utilities button. Next, click on Marketing Events. Here, you will be able to add events to send out emails or texts to a certain group of clients over a specified timeframe. To start, click Add New. In this tutorial, we will be creating an email event to send out for people who haven't been in for 90 days. Under Title, we will title our event 90-Day Client Retention. Select if you want this to be an email or text event. Please note that text marketing is a paid add-on. Please call sales at 1-888-919-5841 to add it to your package. Choose the message template you want to be sent. If you haven't created a template yet, click the I in the upper right-hand corner to watch our videos on creating templates. Under Maximum Messages to Send in Period, Days, set how many messages you want sent to each client within the specified time period. For example, if you only wanted each client to receive this message at maximum once every year, you would set the days to 365. We will leave it on the default settings for this tutorial. Choose the frequency that the event will run. The options are hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or once. In this tutorial, we will select daily. Set the start date for the event. Then, set the start time for the event. Under Event Ends, choose whether the event ends on a date or after a number of runs. Next, click on the Client Filters tab. Here, you will see a list of filters. Enable the Activate filter option for each filter you want to use. Encore applies the filter when the event sends, so choose your date range accordingly. First Visit allows you to choose a number of days ago and select clients that had their first visit between the chosen dates. This is typically something you would use to send to new clients after their first appointment. Last Visit allows you to choose a number of days ago and select clients that had their last visit between the chosen dates. This filter will retrieve both new and existing clients that visited within the set date range. Total visits will select clients based on a specified number of visits. Choose whether visits should be counted by unique invoices or unique days visited. Enter a minimum total visits value, and optionally a maximum total visits value to create a visit range. If needed, enable Only Include Paying Clients to exclude clients with no paid transactions. Use the visits between controls to define the time period, such as clients who visited between a certain number of days ago. Birthday will select clients with a birthday within the specified number of days. Gender will select clients with the gender that is checked off. Client category will select clients that are in or not in the specified category. Employee allows you to filter for clients that have or have not had services done with a specific employee. Client name lets you select either a specific client or a range of clients based on their names. Email selects clients who have or do not have an email address on file. Phone will select clients who have or do not have a phone number or cell number on file. Purchases is used to select clients who purchased any item, a service, a product or a gift card a specified number of days ago. Intake forms is used to select clients who have completed or not completed forms or who have outstanding intake forms to fill out. Appointments will allow you to select clients who have or do not have future appointments, who have an appointment within a date range, or who have had a no-show within a date range. New client will select newly added clients based on the date range you set. In this tutorial, we will send an email to people who haven't visited in 90 days. First, use the email filter to select only people who have an email on file. Next, use the Last Visit filter to select clients who have been in 90 days ago. Since this event will run daily, it will check each day for clients who have not been in for 90 days and send only to those clients. Click Apply. You will see the applied filters at the bottom. Click Save. We have finished creating the event. After the event has been saved, you will see a tab labeled History. You can click on this tab later on to view the sending history of the event. Click the Back button. You will see your event information here. It displays when the event will be sent next and when the event last ran. To deactivate the event so it will no longer run, use the three-dot icon to the right and click Deactivate. Use the Skip Next button to skip the next send time. Use the Pause button to pause sending. You will then need to click Resume to start sending again. We have now finished going over marketing events. Thanks for watching.